Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Here we go again. The same Bitcoin trap over and over and over and over again. The average person and the uninitiated fall for the same thing over and over again. So let's actually talk about it. Now, before we actually get there, right? Because I see comments from people that obviously are new here. I talked about this back in November of 2025 before it became popular on YouTube to say that Bitcoin was going down. November 14th of 2025, Bitcoin correction to $50,000. I posted a chart here, okay? And I pressed the play button. So as you can see, we've started to make the move down. Now, I think we're going lower, okay, than where we are right now. And of course, I'll talk about that in this video. So before we get to the charts, I just want to give a shout out to the Discord. We've been killing it this entire bear market. Over here, we actually take advantage of both sides of the markets, not just we don't buy the coins. We actually go long and short, and we know which coins are going to go up and which ones are going to go down, where everybody else is flying blind and dollar cost averaging, and the majority of people are down in their crypto wallet accounts. Unfortunately enough for us, we cannot relate to that because we have a different understanding over here at the Black Line Society. When it comes to navigating these crypto markets, it doesn't matter if it's a bull market or a bear market. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, and I've done previous videos on this. I've been talking about this since last year. We are in what we call corrections. These are corrections, okay? So we're setting up for another leg down, okay? So what I'm looking for with this is, and I love the Fibonacci. If you've been here for a while, you know the vibes. I'm looking for Bitcoin to come to this 618 area right here, okay? So continuation up. And the reason why Bitcoin has turned around is because Trump came out and said, hey, we have a deal, which right now there's a 60-day ceasefire or something along the lines of that while they actually get this deal together. And we know how this goes, right? It's been the same thing over and over. We reach a deal, then the bombs start dropping again. Psych, gotcha. It's been the same move over and over. So if you notice, everybody is super ecstatic. Everybody's excited. Yes, the war is over, the bull run. It's like literally the same thing over and over, and people continue to fall for the same thing over and over. So looking forward to go up for the next month or so. And it could be shorter, really, depending on what happens, and then give us a leg down into the low 50s, the high 40s, breaking this area right here. And if you actually look here, it did the exact same thing. So we take the Fibonacci, go from the low to the from the high to the low, and look, it came to the 618 and it reversed. Okay. And of course, we take advantage of this stuff. The average person can't take advantage of Bitcoin going down. And we aren't average, the Black Line Society, it just hits different. So while everybody else, while it gets drained, will be on the receiving end of that money. Okay, the liquidity. And with the altcoins, right, you'll see a move up with the altcoins. So, you'll see XRP and Ethereum and Solana and all that stuff move up, and everybody will get excited. And then just like the people that created a lot of these coins, the liquidity will get pulled, and we will be on the side of the liquidity pulling and collecting people's dollars on the way down while they are buying these worthless coins. Not saying that Bitcoin is worthless, it's a store of value, but a lot of the coins are in fact worthless outside of, the top coins or whatever. So with that being said, make sure you all check out the Black Line Society. The link is in the description, www.theblacklinesociety.com. Thanks for watching.